Hey guys, welcome back to Carrosserie Prisme. Today I got three things I want to show you, okay? First of all, we're going to start by looking at a BMW X5. After this, we're going to have a little update on the Jeep Wrangler, and we're going to have a little update on the Porsche that you guys saw last time. Let's start with that. Okay guys, here we have the X5. This X5 is a 35i. That means it has an inline 6-cylinder engine. It has a turbo too. It has X-Drive too. So let me show you what we did on this one. We're gonna go around the back. This guy actually backed up into something on the left side of the bumper, somewhere about right here. He backed up into something and we had to take the bumper off. We had to put it back in place, and we had to repaint the whole thing. So this is a final product. I think it looks very nice. Like I said, it's as if it never got painted. I think it looks very nice. Okay guys, this is the update on the Jeep. So the Jeep, we can see everything looks super nice. Granted, it hasn't been cleaned yet, but we're working on that. We got another car getting cleaned for now. So we can see that the fender was changed. The only thing that's missing are the two little tags. Actually, three little tags. There's also the Wrangler name written there. So the two little tags, back order. We're waiting on them still. Hoping to get them soon. If we go a little lower here, we can see that the frame is just perfect. No more dents, nothing. Everything looks brand new. So I think this car looks very nice now, and we'll get a better look at it when it's washed. We'll show you the final product. Jump on the next one. Okay guys, so this is the Carrera 4. side was all painted. You guys remember how it is at the beginning? It was all gray. It wasn't really looking pretty. They had a little scratches here, but now everything is painted. Everything looks nice. We started obviously by removing the first paint. We fixed everything, then we put the new paint, and the most satisfying part of that was the buffing. Let me show you the footage of that. Oh my god, that was so satisfying. So let me show you what's up on this side. So it's very nice. If you can just come a little closer to the paint, you can see that by doing the 3 panels, everything is color matched. You can even see the car was painted in the aftermarket. So personally, I think this is a success story for all the team here. You guys did great and we appreciate it. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. So please, if you like the video, press on the like button. Also subscribe and press the bell button to get more videos like this. Thank you.